Chain, that's 100 points.
Hey, yo, Granny, put your butt out the window.
I was on the road, shorty calling, said, when you coming home? Why the fuck you ain't been picking up the phone? You out fucking with them bitches and I'm lonely. I ain't never wanna do your ass wrong. I ain't realize what I had until it's gone. Drop the address, tell me it been way too long. Don't remember where you living, pop some pills and prescription. Crying no shit, not a river. Whoa. Even told you about my sister, she had died when I was little. That's what turned me to a killer. Whoa. I'm tryna boss up on these bitches. I get rich, don't call my phone. Dial tone, voicemail, I ain't gon' listen. All this perk said to my sister, need a doctor, check my liver. All my homies think I'm tripping, it's my only way to cope. I got pain inside my body, located inside my mental. Pop a perk and I'll be chillin', I ain't worried about these hoes. I just took my fifth perky. I'm about to ride a fucking plug cause they not working. Chopping up a brick inside this room, close the damn curtains. Back then I was with my granny at the church service. Lot of shit changed in my life, drug through the dirt. Back against the wall, I feel like hitting licks and catching murders. Wear my gloves, wear my mask, got I'm about to start splurging. Put the racks on the Snapchat and now we on the shirt. I was on the road, shorty calling, saying, when you coming home? Why the fuck you ain't been picking up the phone? You out fucking with them bitches and I'm lonely. I ain't never wanna do your ass wrong. I ain't realize what I had until it's gone. Drop the address, tell me it been way too long. Don't remember where you living, pop some pills and prescription. Crying no shit, not a river. Whoa. Even told you about my sister, she had died when I was little. That's what turned me to a killer. I'm tryna boss up on these bitches. I get rich, don't call my phone. Dial tone, voicemail, I ain't gon' listen.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic